Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be we're going to be doing two builds actually in one video on this really cool new car. So let's get straight into it. On the right you can see the massive other new car, what we made yesterday, was it? I think. And the other new car next to that as well. So yeah, we've got quite a lot to do, so let's get straight into it. Right, let's just go straight into, we've done this, haven't we? Yeah. Right, let's go straight into let's do the monster truck first. Right, let's do it. Travel. Boom. Stiffness, that's fine. Shock size, let's do that. That's fine. Right, this looks really stupid already. Nice to know. Stiffness, that's fine. Shock size, that's fine. And then axis width, we need it about, just put it max, why not? Oh god, these are going to be big wheels. Oh god. Here we go. Now it gets a bit crazy. Yeah. We might even put that axis width down. To a low 5. Just makes him look more natural, you know what I mean? Just, well, it doesn't look natural anyway, look at it, but it just looks a bit more natural. Because it's so wide, it just looks crazy. Right, let's... What the frick? How many, bed type customizations can you do? Jeez! Oh my god, I might have to come back to this on another video and do a different build on it. Ooh, I think it's between this one and this one. What are we saying? You know, I see people use a lot of the other ones. Let's go for that one. Everybody uses the van type like add-on on it. Oh, that's dead. It doesn't do it on the cage. Oh, I might just do that then. Oh, that's good. Right. It just decides that nah, you can't have a bumper now. Oh, we better be able to make that the same. Oh my god, here we go. Now it gets interesting. Okay, we're going to change this now. Yeah, we're really going to change this. This, you know what? What did it have before? We're going to go for this for the moment. Because it goes with the engine bay, actually. That's quite good. Here we go. Oh my god. You might go for that. Yeah, we're going to go for that. Snorkel, obviously. Where on earth has it gone? I guess if you can't even see it, why the hell not? That just makes it even more better. We're not going for that. We're going to need that. We need the car jack. Do we go for this? This is probably the one time where I'm actually going to put those little things on the bonnet. Let's go for the white. Guns in the back, as you do. Okay, that's just kind of cool. It just puts it there. Right, is that it? No, we want some, so we want bead lock, then we want the spoke like that, bead like that, then there we go. And then we want the paint. Does it change the colour of the thingy? Okay, it doesn't. Max the window turn out. Right, what are we going for? Is it just me, or does that look really cool for some reason? It looks like it's two-tone. Oh. We might have to rock this in metallic. Oh, that looks good. Wait. Did I even... it says metallic, but it's satin. That's depressing. It still looks good. Right, I think it's ready to rock and roll. For the meanwhile, and then we're gonna come back and change it again. Right, let's start off with the quick race. Hold up. Hold the phone. Did it just do what I think it did? Not quite, wait. It really wants to do it. I think it's going to be a bit of a speed demon when it does that. Yeah, oh my god. Put it in low and it might do it. Nearly did it then. Right. Let's take this for a spin on the mud track thingy. Don't know what it's called. Quick race, it's called on the thingy. Pretty quick through the mud. It keeps like a 22 to 24 average. Probably could be quicker if you properly tuned it. Alright, let's go. It feels a bit slow, but it just takes a while to get up to speed. But when it gets up to speed, it gets to... Well, I think I've just been in a fast car. I've just been using a fast car recently. So I think it just feels slow. But it's actually not slow at all. Yes, it's probably not slow. I'm just being stupid. It doesn't like jumps. Well, I don't really know that. I just said it just doesn't like that one, at least. Doesn't like jumping in mud. It's probably because it doesn't go that fast in mud. But now we know it's not the greatest at the mud bogging. There's only one way to find out, and that's to test it. So, worth knowing. Let's take it for a submarine test. Pretty good air control. Right, on to the next one. Of course, before an advert. Let's go. Monster Jam, let's go. Right, everything gone. Oh no, that's a bad idea going what's it called? First person. That wouldn't be a great idea. Tell you that now. Whoa. Okay. Jeez. That decided to send it. Get out my way! Whoa. You know what I'm gonna test. Oh my gosh, he came back for payback. Right, let's try go over the tall cars, the big cars. If we can get on them first. Okay, yeah. Oh no. I messed it up. That's my fault. Oh my gosh, I'm going everywhere. You're joking. I think this would be good. It's just been stupid. Oh my gosh. I think I just need to line up. Okay, we know it can do it. It's just having a bad day. We're just going to say that, okay? It's having a bad day. Or maybe it just doesn't like being a monster truck. It just doesn't, not feeling it. Jump off the side. Oh, that was smooth. I like flipped off and then turned it into like a sick move. The landing's good, honestly, because I thought that was going to just do like hit the back wheels and then just flip, if you know what I mean. But it didn't. That's good. This is just a killer. This thing. Wait a minute. Oh, I think this thing can do it. Maybe that's its special ability. Oh, hold up. I wasn't supposed to go down there. Yeah, we don't want to go down there. I braked a bit because I thought it was just going to die. Let's just go full speed at it. Yeah, there was a reason why I braked. Yeah. Let's see it. Smooth. Bad acceleration, so it's not going to go anywhere. As I said. Right. Let's, after the advert, of course, let's, go on to the next, configuration. So, this, we're going to be, oh my god. We're going to be going back down to the solid axle type. Please tell me this works. That would have been awesome if that just worked. If it was a glitch and it would just work. I think we're just going to put the wheel radius down first. Just put it as small as we can go, just to get them out the way, so they're not in the way. That looks so stupid. Right, let's stiffness. We want this quite high. Right. Let's just put that at max. Shocks. Oh my gosh, I think we're just going to stick with them. Jeez. Damping, that'll be fine. Why would we want that wide? I'm not thinking straight today. At all. Want them. Put them big. That's fine, that's fine. Damping, that's fine. There we go. Right. One of these quite thick. That'll do. Oh gosh. Didn't mean to do that. Meant to go onto radius. Probably about that. And then Some thick boys in the back, Jesus. 1.5s. What are they in the front? Let's go 1.2s. Boom. Right, we might put that up. Just depends on what we're going to do next. We are going to be turning it into a super van. Oh yeah. Oh no, the wheel came back now. So we're going to have to change that, jeez. No bumper. Oh my gosh. This might have to happen. It's going to happen. And no bumper. What can we do? Okay, none of that. That's not happening. We do not need that. I think it's low enough, thank you very much. I might just put a little light bar. You know what I mean? Just a little light bar. Oh my god, this is gonna be crazy. No winch. I want this to be decked out with like the full, like, just crazy setup. Of course, I can't afford it. Oh, this is great. Oh no. Sorry about this. You're gonna watch me do a bit of money grinding again. Oh gosh. What is this turning? It's OP. The turning's too much. That's mental. I put no rear steer on this at all, and it does that. Like, okay. This might be another Born to Be drifter car. Oh god. Please don't be. Please. Do. Break! Right, let's find a bit more money, and then we're going to exit. Of course, watch an advert. And then, of course, and then finish the build and then test it out. That really just messed it up then. Being on low power mode, that really just ruined the moment. Really ruined it. You can tell the back cage thing. You can tell it's supposed to have a crane in the middle, because like, you see what I mean? There's like a slot for it to go in. I've just noticed that. You know what I mean? Right, that's probably enough. Right. We ain't got no time for any working simulator. Wait. Oh no, there's not. Never mind, I was thinking this. Right. That. Boom. Oh no. Right, don't need a snorkel. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. It doesn't change anything. May as well just put it in, why not? Keep that in. Right, that's that. Let me just go switch these tyres over to some road ones. And then we're going to have to go sort out this axis width. Oh, or maybe I take this chance to make them even thicker. I say I'd do a bit of both. Do they just... Oh my god, that's the front. I'm so stupid. Put down to 1.5s and then back. I say we just get full drag mode. If we want full drag mode, we're actually going to have to make them a bit to ones. Right. And now, no, we don't want to change that. Right. Get that out. See how perfectly close we can make this in the rim. Oh my, that's even clipping through it so close. That is clean. Right, axis width. I'm going to do it so perfectly. Oh, this is clean. Well, I'm actually going to go change something again. It's triggering me. Bead locks are for off-road cars, honestly. Right. Oh my god, this thing's slammed. This is going to be crazy. Let's go free roam. So stunt park. So let's see. Does it want to drift? I don't think it wants to drift as much as last time. Maybe not. I lied. Yeah, I lied. Please do donut. Wait for it. Oh no. It's doing the really annoying thing. It doesn't want to drift as much as the I take that back. I was going to say it doesn't drift as much as our other drift car, but it does the same thing if you just switch it into the other thing. It just, look, it just doesn't want to drift. Won't drift. It'll turn. If we do this, whoa, it spins out. Like so. What? I swear to God, was that just me? You saw a massive thing come past the screen. There it is. What the frick is that? Don't want that in, actually. Is this guy mad? Oh no. Never mind, I'm mad. I'll probably catch it if I... Yeah, I don't think he's going to run away from this. He's got the normal foot. Oh, okay. Pretty standard cars. It's still cool though. Whoa. Oh, backwards. I swear you drift better in this game backwards. It doesn't bring smoke. It doesn't do smoke, but you're drifting. Weirdly. Right. Let's see it. I want to get a good run up here. You know, we're doing it. Right. Go. See if we can get faster than the 6x6. Imagine we don't get faster than... Oh my gosh, the little bugger. He just messed us up. Wait, will it do the thing what the 6x6 did? It won't. It shouldn't do. If it does, I swear. No, it's way too slammed for that. Look how close we are to the ground. I just realised. Jeez. Whoa, is this just me or is it going crazy? Like, it doesn't look it, but well, for this game, we're close to the ground. Never mind, we're quite high up, if I'm honest. I have to do a burnout. Great time to not do it. Oh, I think it's doing it. Yeah, it's doing a burnout. But like a reverse one against a wall. Right, let's go for it. And go. Rear-wheel drive. Don't you dare. I swear if you do. Come on. Don't tell me it's not even going to go as fast as 6x6. Oh no. A bit, quite a little, like 5 miles an hour quicker than a 6x6. What the hell? What the? Why does it do cool stuff when I'm not in, when I'm in first person? Like, seriously. You could have done that when I wasn't in first person so I could have actually seen it. Right. Follow camera. Just gonna, wait, I've got an idea. We could actually go a lot faster. But it could be risky because we could start drifting by accident. It likes to do burnouts, I've noticed. Whoa. If we could just sneak down the side here, we could have an amazing... You're joking. Just a big jump. What the? Just gonna sneak down here. I could get an amazing... Oh my god. I was about to say I could get an amazing run up, but apparently not. Ooh. I say if we go in at this speed, we should do well. Did I seriously just do that? Did I seriously just mess that up? I accidentally switched to low gear. Oh my gosh. Right, let attempt 2. Or really attempt 4, but won't talk about that. Right. Just get around this bit. Over the jump. Nearly die. And mess up again. But it's fine, it's fine. Cut it short. Ooh. Wait, why did I do that? I was about to get a new record. I just did that. Right, I could do better there. I kind of did, like, crashed a bit. And that, but what the? That's a full, like, thingy. I thought it was just up. Just up. I like how that guy's probably going faster than me with a trailer on. Because that's just normal, isn't it? That's very possible. Whoa. Oh, apparently I'm on a track now. I swear I've tried to get on this track loads, and the time I really don't want to get on it because I'm trying to do something else. It just puts me on. It's just like ah. Well, I guess we're on this now. I guess we're on this. Whoa, that would be cool, but of course it's me, so I messed it up. Let it run wild. I'm just going the wrong way on the track. Oh. Literally, you just put this in rear-wheel drive and it goes bonkers. It doesn't have to steer. I bet I spin out on this corner. That would have been kind of cool if I just, like, grazed the nose of the car and just carried on. Let's do it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh, that was terrible. Right, one more thing, and I think we're going to end it there, guys. Oh my Was that a triple? What I really just didn't mean to do. Are we even going to make this? Oh my god, that was so clean. We just made it. Woo! I thought that was that ramp to the ramp right in front of me now. I was like, we're not making that. Jesus Christ, we're just making these. This is crazy. No, no chance. No chance I'm making that. No way. Oh my gosh! No way we just made that. There's no way. I think that's probably the first time I've completed that. Oh my gosh, and then a flipping triple flip to finish it off. Jesus Christ. Well, that's one way to end it. If we finish off with the loop, I'm going to be so happy. Right, let's see it. Where's another one here? Where's this one got more of a run up? No, it hasn't. It's got a big jump. That's great, isn't it? Right, let's see it. Oh, I can still make it. Oh, no, I died. Of course I did. Right, guys, I think I'm going to end it there. Like and subscribe if you want to. And trying to hit 10 subscribers by the end of the year. Oh, yes, I just realised we're actually on 9 subscribers. So we're so close. And actually so close to the end of the year. So I really do hope we make it. And that was kind of funny. So yeah. Oh, my terrible driving skills. That's why you don't look in the mirror when you're driving. That's a tip. Well, you actually don't listen to me. Yes, you do. Don't listen to me. Right. Yeah, back to what we were talking about. Yeah, yeah, I'll see you in the next one. So yeah. And bye.